garage. Should that be my next car? I've been wanting to get one of those for the longest time. Even grab my phone. Fuck! Why do I always do this to myself, man? I think I left on my bed. See what's up, see what's up to the block, man. Now we can officially head out. I'm out of breath. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got off work, heading straight to Foo's house. I know my eye right here is a little red today. I don't know why. It's not like itchy or anything. Maybe my girl gave me some pink eye, but other than that, I don't know what is going on. You guys noticed that then? Look at that. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, we actually got the car back from paint this week and it's time to finally reveal it to you guys. Right now it's a little late start, it's about 4 o'clock and today's weather is not all that great. It was really nice and sunny earlier, but then it just turned into like this gloomy, windy ass, like, I don't know, it's just the weather's crazy. Oh my gosh, I hate people who drive slow on the very left lane. Like, why? But I'm excited to reveal the car to you guys. The whole front end is done and we added some cool parts to it. It's not your normal grill, not that I know of. This is my first time working on a wagon, so I saw the picture of it the other day and it looks so good. I can't wait to see it in person. I heard the color matching was on point and he paid a really good price to get it done. I'm super hungry, so I hope he has some food for me because your boy needs some energy right now. I just worked like a 6:30 to 3 shift. But it's finally the weekend for me and I'm gonna enjoy the shit out of it. Hopefully one day I can do whatever the hell I want. Cause I was watching TJ's Hunt's video and he's one of the main YouTubers, big YouTubers I look up to. And he just got a C8 Corvette that just barely came out, and just like watching his videos and like being able to do whatever the hell you want anytime in the week is crazy. That's what the life I want to live. But you gotta work hard for it, man. Cause he got a call that his C8 was in. Dropped everything else that week he had planned and booked flights and freaking flew to Pennsylvania. That's fucking sick, dude. I like just random things like that. That's like enjoyable to watch, and hopefully one day I can do that as well. Man, it's windy as hell, but it's hot as shit. Look at this. It's crazy. Weather's wild right now. But we'll get to the house and we'll finally do the full review. I cannot wait. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. I'll catch you there. Finally made it to the house. I'm gonna see this thing for the first time ever. I'm just seeing if I can get my reaction for you. I can barely see it, but once he opens up that garage, it is gonna be sick. I should go up there. Open sesame. Open up. See, what is this crazy ass weather, dude? It's not even my car, but like, I'm stoked to see how it looks. Where's the front bumper?
How are you?
Good, how are you? I was trying to get my first reaction of the bumper, all this stuff.
Bumper is off. This one is missing in here. Something's thicker.
That is? Yeah, I didn't even notice that shit. Damn, this shit came out hella clean. They fixed the dents and everything.
Yeah.
You been driving this?
No, there's no headlight to drive.
Oh.
So I spent $100 for that shit, cause it was working, but then.
Dude, this shit came out so clean. Did they fix this part too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It has little sparkly flakes in there. Bumpers in the trunk. I'm gonna take it first. Look at it.
Check it out. This is all you do.
Oh, that looks. I can't show them yet, dude. I gotta make them wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna put y'all down real quick. That came out so clean, dude. Wait, they had this?
No, that's mine.
Oh, that's yours.
I've installed this.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's tight. I can't show you guys yet until it is all completed. But damn, dude, that looks good. Damn, you put all the fog lights and stuff on too? Damn, you're working, huh?
No, they installed the fog.
Oh, they did everything?
They did everything. I was gonna put my grill on too, but I didn't have the grill on there.
How much was this grill?
Huh? This one?
Yeah, this grill.
$100. The other grill
That's
is
cheaper.
Like $250 to $300.
I think I like this grill way better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My fucking friend said it looked like an Odyssey.
It looks like a bed now.
Here's your dog.
Yep.
Sorry about that.
We just got this in. How much is this?
I think that was 5.
500?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Well, after we finish this, we can go buy my car. Should be really simple. It's just a couple bolts and then they just pop right off. I hate doing airbags. I get so scared when I do these. I'll lay that one down carefully.
Battery off, dude. You want me to do it?
No, I got it. Alright, let's get it going. Finally got the airbag off. You had to go under here and there's this little plastic piece that reveals this plug. So once you take that off, you'll be able to access this plug right here. So out with the old one and then I'm about to put the new one back in. That took a little while to figure out, but I got it done. At first I thought you had to come up here and I was like, what the hell? You gotta take off all these bolts? But then I saw this little under panel that you can't take off. It's got the new airbag on, everything fit nice. Does the horn work?
I don't know.
We haven't tried it out yet, huh? Super simple. Now I gotta put on the back cover. But it looks good, dude. Well, you guys waited long enough. We'll go ahead and reveal the front bumper. Why'd you go with this? Looks cooler?
No, it's just cheaper.
Whoa! Dude, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Comment down below, let us know if you like that front Honda grille instead of the Acura. I think it looks way better.
Yeah, it looked cleaner, super clean.
Cause the Acura one was like flat chrome. Like all of it was chrome. This one's like has little vents and stuff. I don't know. Now you got a Honda Accord. She's all finished, baby. All the lights work. Oh shit! She's looking so good. About pulled out for the first time and do just some driving. The only thing that's wrong is this gap right here. That's about it. Ooh, yes.
Alignment is off,
everybody.
Though. Is it? Yeah, I can fix it. It should have navigation and everything.
Let's see if this works. Oh, it doesn't. Just barely leaving Foo's house. Right now we're all heading to the guy's house, and we're all gonna hang out for a little bit. We haven't done this in a long time, so it'd be nice to catch up with everyone. Seeing everyone together and chilling. Everyone's growing up and getting busy with their lives, so when we find time to hang out with each other, cherish that shit, man, because everyone grows up and everyone separates, goes their different ways a little bit, but as long as everyone's just down to kick it once in a while, that's what makes it special. Thank you, Mr. Sony. It's so colorful, right? So guys, actually a couple days after the last clip you just saw, I actually forgot you guys at the guy's house. I left the camera there. I was just chilling with them, watching the fight the whole time. And I finally got the camera back at work today from Tommy. And you tell I got a fresh cut thanks to my mama. Just got home from work, about to just watch some Netflix. If you guys haven't watched Ozark yet, that show is fucking tight, dude. You just have to watch it. I think it's probably one of the best Netflix series I've seen in a long time. Yeah, if you guys are enjoying these TSX Wagon rebuild videos, please like the video and subscribe. It means so much. I mean, it helps the channel out way more than you think. So if you can do that for me, please and thank you. Also, just got something in the mail today. How sick is that? Me and my girlfriend are gonna be at Coachella if they don't cancel it. Because on Twitter it's trending right now saying that it might get pushed back to October, and that is gonna suck. So I might just end up going to Hawaii, who knows. Oh my Ollie, why would you do that? God. Hey, his farts are stinkier than mine. I almost shit myself right there. Holy shit. I'm gonna check real quick. Oh man. Oh shit. Well, now if you guys like these rebuild videos, like and subscribe. And now, what do you say? We'll catch you on the next video. He's done. There you go.